Hello y'all, this is my Texasian beef stew, and here are the ingredients. For my protein of choice, I have chuck roast beef, and I bought this at the store that's cut already. This is a daikon, and it's an Asian radish. I removed the skin and cut them to wedges. Fun fact, daikon is rich in vitamin C that is important for our immune function. This is a baby carrot, and y'all can find this at any grocery store. I also have ginger, and what I did, I cut them to thin wedges and smashed them. In a bowl, mix in your oil, salt, pepper, garlic, onion, chuck roast beef, and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Next, turn on our stove and let's begin cooking. So what I did first, I added my oil, sugar, and I reduced the sugar to caramel. This part is optional, however, it really does help give it the brown color that you need. Add in your marinated beef and saute roughly 5 minutes. Y'all want to get that slightly brown color on the beef. And at any point, feel free to add your ginger. After 5 minutes, add your mixture and give it a good stir. Y'all want to make sure that every part of the beef is coated into the mixture. Next, add in your beef stock and let it simmer for about an hour. Y'all don't have to add in beef stock, y'all can add in water instead. However, just adding that beef stock gives it another layer of flavor. Add in your daikon and carrots, and this helps sweeten the stew. Fun fact, baby carrots are a good source of vitamin A that's important for your vision. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, here are the recommendations of how many cups of red and orange vegetables a person needs weekly. Here are the recommended servings, and according to MyFitnessPal, here are the nutrition facts. And that's all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on the bottom, and thank y'all. Have a great day.